Mastering Fusion for IELTS Success. Fusion. A word that embodies the coming together of distinct elements to create something entirely new. This powerful concept is not just a scientific term, but a versatile word that can elevate your IELTS score to the coveted band 9.0. Let us explore the depths of this word and how to use it with precision and flair. Word type. Fusion is primarily used as a noun, though it can also function as an adjective in certain contexts. Meaning, at its core, fusion refers to the process or result of joining two or more things together to form a single entity. This can be applied to various fields, from nuclear physics to cuisine, music, and culture. In a broader sense, it represents the blending of different elements or ideas into a unified whole. Word history. The term fusion originates from the Latin word fusio, meaning a pouring, melting, or casting. It entered the English language in the 16th century, initially used in alchemy and later adopted by various scientific and cultural domains. Synonyms. Some synonyms for fusion include amalgamation, blend, combination, integration, merging, and synthesis. Each of these words carries subtle nuances, so choose wisely based on the context. Antonyms. Antonyms of fusion include separation, division, segregation, and disintegration. These words represent the opposite process of bringing things together. Examples used in sentences. The chef's innovative fusion cuisine combined elements of traditional Japanese and French cooking techniques. The jazz band's latest album showcased an impressive fusion of classical and contemporary styles. Nuclear fusion, the process that powers the sun, holds promise as a future energy source. The architecture of the building represented a stunning fusion of modern and Gothic design elements. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing fusion with fission. While fusion involves combining elements, fission refers to splitting them apart. Another error is using fusion too broadly without considering its specific implications in different contexts. For instance, in music, fusion typically implies a deliberate blending of distinct genres, not just any mixture of styles. Mastering the word fusion and its various applications can significantly enhance your vocabulary and demonstrate a sophisticated command of English. Whether discussing scientific processes, culinary innovations, or cultural phenomena, using fusion accurately and contextually will undoubtedly impress IELTS examiners and help you achieve that perfect band score. Remember, the key to using fusion effectively lies in understanding its nuances and applying it precisely to describe the merging of distinct elements into a harmonious whole.